Nice sized bass. Like a 1 pounder.
Nice.
Good job, skunk off the board. Small little bluegill. It's a crappie, a big crappie.
Holy cow.
That's a good sized crappie, man. Hoo-wee, look at that nice sized crappie. This is a pancake. This is a white crappie. Am I recording? Yep. Nice pond park crappie.
Isn't it? Oh, that's a ton.
Thanks for the fight, bud. That's a decent sized bluegill. Hunter gets it.
Yep.
Just push it opposite way of where the hook is. Need the pliers? Oh, you got it. Go put them back where you got them. Good job. Sunfish. Hector with the sunfish at Sonic's. Right here at the little creek on Via Drive and Murrieta Hot Springs. Little sunfish right here at the creek along Murrieta Hot Springs. Catching little sunfish here at Murrieta Hot Springs and Via Princesa or Via Drive right in front of Sonic's. Catching sunfish on Murrieta and Sonic. Oh, your palm's covering the fish. That's a nice sized sunfish. Right here, Murrieta Hot Springs and Via Drive.